Hi, Ahmed. This is the assignment 2 for Network Architecture and Protocol. So for this assignment, we were supposed to investigate about Internet of Things, cloud services, and big data. I am using MongoDB to do this. So first of all, I'd like to demonstrate about MongoDB. What is it? So MongoDB is it is an Internet of Things which supports field, range query, and regular expression searches. It provides high availability with replica sets. A set consists of 2 or more copies of data. Each set member may act in role of primary or secondary replica at any time. All writes and reads are done on primary replica by default. Secondary replica maintains a copy of data of the primary using built-in replication. When a primary replica fails, the replica set automatically conducts an election process to determine which secondary should become the primary. Secondaries can optionally serve read operations, but the data is only eventually consist by default. So how you can get the MongoDB? Go to this website, mongodb.com, which I have downloaded already. Go to community server and you press download. It will be downloaded. So to download this, it gets installed in a very different way. You have to do that in the command lines. These are my 2 command lines I have used for it. So first of all, when you download this command line, you have, before demonstrating this, I would like to tell you something else. You go in local disk in your Windows C program files, find your MongoDB server, and you make a new folder named DB. In this server, you can, when the collections are made or when the documents are made, those will get saved in these. This is like having different database. So when you open your command line, make sure your command line is always in administrator. Then you type this, your program files MongoDB server for bin, and then this will open the external command. Then you type this MongoDB server 4.0 bin MongoDB space --db path, and select the folder you made DB. And after that, this will start. It will start the server, and it will be automatically enabling and disabling everything you have made in the system. And for this to get started, you need another a command line. You type Mongo server 4.0 bin Mongo, which will give you a unique ID and password. So when you will start communicating in the connections, this will control and give you the unique URLs which will be accessible for you, and it will start running your things when you start your first MongoDB, and you give it the internet connection and you install it using the command lines. It will connect you to the DBSs. So it allows you to enter in the database, and these are the databases. It is showing admin, config, and local. So you make your own databases. You type use ABC, which is switched to database ABC. Then you show the DBC, and then you keep going, keep entering everything, keep entering stuff, and it will show you all these things. It has 3 levels. MongoDB has 3 levels of which are database, collections, and documents. So the content is saved in the documents, and the documents are just above the contact. So the very important thing in this is it doesn't allow you to move the data between different databases. So it has a primary database server and a secondary database server. If your primary database server, as I have explained before, fails, it will automatically connect you to the secondary database server. And an example of this is this. This is a shading overview. So this is I have already explained, it is a multiple replica key database, which is like really small, and it has a lot of mini applications running in this. So this is how it runs in the primary, and then secondary, and then if primary fails, it automatically connects to the secondary. And I would also like to explain something about TinyOS. TinyOS is an operating system. It's also Internet of Things thing, and you connect it into your VirtualBox. You download it. It's really small, and it is a very light-weighted the software you can use in that. You can just download a live CD, connect your TinyOS into it, and it is really used for commands and initiating actions. One of the good things about TinyOS is it's completely non-blocking. It allows everything into TinyOS really quick. The programs are built out of the software components. The tasks are non-primitive, and it runs in FIFO. So FIFO is first in, first out. So which is inputted first goes out first. It is also statically linked. And this was about my Internet of Things, clouds, and databases. So that was all about my video. Thank you so much for watching it.